Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on YouTube app, tap on plus icon, then click on video option. Okay, and scroll down, choose on any videos. Okay, and just tap on next option and click on gallery option and add your thumbnail videos and add a caption. Scroll down, click add description and add a description. All okay, just tap on upload to upload videos on YouTube, PC and mobile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.